next one, that is the second type of Samadhi. Here the consciousness of the object of meditation what does not exist. Like it was existing in Asamprajnata Samadhi. Under Asamprajnata Samadhi, the consciousness of the object of meditation is not existing. Alright, so this is called Niruddha. This is called Niruddha in Sanskrit, like Asamprajnata was called Ekagra, right? So Asamprajnata Samadhi basically occurs when the meditator and the object of meditation, let's say the tip of the nose, are completely fused together. Alright, they become one, and because they become one, not even the consciousness of the object exists, right? So here mind is not even conscious that it is, fixating, or it is conscious or meditating upon the tip of the nose. You see, all this was happening under Asamprajnata Samadhi. Under Asamprajnata Samadhi, we're basically saying that even the mind is not conscious of the object it is meditating upon. So that kind of consciousness is not existing. The meditator and the object of meditation are fused, they are one, and they are fused and they are one to such an extent that even the mind is not conscious of the object it is meditating upon. Alright, so this is the basic difference between Samprajnata and Asamprajnata Samadhi. Alright, what you need to remember, what you need to remember from the exam's point of view is that when we are talking about, when we are talking about internal or antaranga sadhana, we are talking about three disciplines. We are talking about dharana, dhyana and samadhi. Okay, this is called meditation. This is called concentration. This stage is superior than this stage is superior than this stage, right? Only from dharana we move on to dhyana, and only from dhyana we move on to samadhi. Now samadhi, like I told you, is also of two types, samprajnata and asamprajnata. Between these two, asamprajnata is of the highest order. Why? Because here the mind is not even conscious that it is fixating or it is concentrating upon an object. So no consciousness of the object of meditation exists. Here under Samprajnata it exists, and that is why Asamprajnata is a higher order, or is a higher stage than the Samprajnata Samadhi. Please remember, this is the Sanskrit words of these two, very important. This is called Ekagra. This is called Niruddha. Alright, I hope this is clear. So this is what you need to remember for the concept of Ataranga or internal sadhana under Indian philosophy. If you still have doubts, do not worry. We'll be discussing yoga in a detailed manner under the Indian philosophy section. This is pertaining to Indian ethics. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope the concept is clear. Please remember these three, like I told you, go together. So in the exam, you have to choose all these three. Any one of them or two of them would not be the complete answer. The complete answer is internal sadhana or ataranga sadhana is comprising of dharana, dhyana and samadhi. The three go together. Alright, this much